This week, the Quiet Bull Index showed a very important shift. AI is still powerful, but leadership is now broadening in our index, Quiet Bull Index, okay? Space is exploding, quantum is waking up big time, and biotech is still trying to rebuild. The market is no longer rewarding every growth stock equally. I'm pretty sure most of you are seeing that. It is rewarding momentum, revenue growth, and narrative strength. Number one, space is now true leadership. The strongest charts in the Quiet Bull Index right now may actually be the space names. You have Rocket Lab, continues acting like a monster institutional trend. LUNR, LUNR, Intuitive Machines remains one of the cleanest asymmetric growth charts in the market. Massive move already, but the structure still looks strong above key moving averages. ASTS broke through major resistance this week and now looks like a momentum leader, not just a speculative satellite company. This group is no longer trading like science fiction because it's a real thing. The market is starting to treat space as infrastructure, communications, defense, launch, lunar logistics, and national strategy. And that matters. Number two, AI remains the backbone. AI is still the core engine underneath this market. AMD had another huge week and continues acting stronger than almost anything in large cap tech. It's beautiful. TSM still looks structurally excellent. AVGO, Broadcom remains powerful. Amazon continues trending well, and NVIDIA pulled back slightly, but the bigger picture remains completely intact ahead of earnings. What stands out now is this. AI leadership is broadening beyond NVIDIA alone. Chips, cloud, robotics, infrastructure, data centers, power demand. We got a lot going on. That entire ecosystem still matters. Number three, quantum is starting to move. IONQ had one of the most important chart improvements in the entire index. Kind of wishing I bought it at sub 30. The market is beginning to understand that quantum computing could become another strategic technological race similar to that of AI. It's still speculative, still volatile, but the momentum is real. Number four, hard assets and energy. First Solar may quietly be First Solar FSLR, one of the strongest charts in the Quiet Bull Index right now. Solar leadership has actually improved dramatically. CCJ, UEC cooled off, but neither chart looks destroyed. Both still appear to be consolidating after a massive multi-month run tied to the global energy demand and nuclear momentum. ALB remains weaker than the rest of the hard asset group, but lithium may still matter longer term if EV demand stabilizes. Number five, biotech is still early. Biotech remains the laggard group inside the Quiet Bull Index. Vertex, VRTX continues acting like the institutional quality leader that it is, but CRISPR, NTLA, Beam, Viking, NVAX all need repair, rebuilding charts, and not true momentum leaders yet. Not yet. That said, the bases are forming, and historically, biotech tends to move violently once capital rotates back into the group, and it will. It will. NVAX continues trying to stabilize around the Matrix M and partnership narrative. CRISPR and NTLA are attempting to hold support while Viking is trying to rebuild after a brutal obesity unwind. And this group is frustrating right now, but it is not dead. Diversity. Quiet Bull take, the market is sending a very clear message right now. Leadership belongs to AI, space, infrastructure, and emerging strategic technologies. That's it. And that's why the Quiet Bull Index exists, to identify leadership early before the crowd fully understands where capital is flowing. And that is the Quiet Bull Index. We do not chase noise. We track structure. That's how we work. My name is Justin Hall. Have a great Memorial Day weekend. Enjoy the Indy 500 and watch the softball, baseball, and lacrosse. Everything's happening right now. It just feels like a lot of fun. Have a good one.